friends, I'm Kinyonga. Welcome to my YouTube channel. My channel is all about cooking and fun games with kids. When it comes to cook, I do prepare traditional food without spices but use them when necessary. Today in my kitchen, we are going to prepare pork with spinach. Let's get into the kitchen. Our ingredients are, we have spinach, we have pork, we have tomatoes, we have 2 onions, we have our cooking oil and salt. We are going to start by frying our pork to dry it. It must be a very dry. First, we are going to start by lighting our gas. And dry our pork until it turns golden brown and drain all the water. I have already fried my pork. Now I'm going to cook it with onions and tomatoes. And if you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe to my channel, comment, share, and also turn on notification bell to get notified once I have a new video. We are going to add our onions, tomatoes, not onions. And salt. 1 teaspoon. We cover our pot again for 5 minutes for our tomatoes to cook. Our tomatoes are well cooked. Now we are going to add our pork. And stir. We cover again for 5 minutes. Then we add our spinach. Our food is almost cooked. done cooking. Now we are going to turn our gas off and serve. We are serving with kachumbari. And avocado. If you have not yet subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. I'm Kinyonga. Comment, share, like, and also turn on notification bell to get notified once I upload a new video. Bye bye. Let's meet to the next video.